Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you guys are here. All right, to start off, we're going to be using 35 inches of 3 cutouts of our shoki. So as usual, we're going to be joining them. You join the 3 cutouts together. Now this is how I join. I fold the shoki together like this, and then I'll run my stitches from behind. So I don't place it on top, I put them together and run my stitches. That's how I sew my own shoki. Now I'm back from sewing it. This is what it looks like. This is the back. So when you turn the front, it looks different from here. Exactly, this is how the front would look. For this particular headband we are doing, you have to run the stitches like this. If not, the edges of the joining is going to be looking rough. Now I'm going to fold the edges. I'm actually not pleating, I'm just folding it once and then put the two ends together. Then I'll run the stitches like that. Let me go back to my machine and then I'll come back and show you what I mean by running the stitches. Now this is what it looks like. So when you fold it, you will actually have an opening underneath. Next, with our needle and thread, we're going to form a gathers at that area that has opening. So you'll be forming your gathers from one end to the other end of it. I want to use this opportunity to say thank you to everybody who has subscribed to my channel, and for those who are watching this video and you have not subscribed, God is watching you. I'm using this opportunity to beg you, please try and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, Biko, thank you. And also, if you like what you're seeing so far, just click on that like button. Yeah, then if you have any question for me, just put it on the comment section. I will definitely answer you. If you want me to make any type of headband, I'm always here, I'll make it for you. Just reach out to me on my IG page at Maisube, drop the pictures, and then I'll make a video of it. Okay, right now I'm trying to make the ashoki puff a little bit. Next, we'll be covering our Alice band with our ashoki material. To do that, we'll be using our hot glue. Apply the hot glue on the Alice band and place it on the ashoki material and cover it up. Actually, the best way to learn is by watching. When you watch what I'm doing, you understand better. But when I'm talking, it helps, but just watch, you understand what I'm doing. Alright, up next, I'm using a bias, a black bias, to cover the opening inside so that it will give it a clean finish. For the edges of the band, I'm also going to use the black bias to cover the edges. Just to cover up the rough patches at the edges and, to give it that finished look. Now it's time to join the two so that they will become one. So in order to do that, I'm working with my hot glue gun also. So I'll apply a generous amount of hot glue on the Alice band that I folded and carefully place the ashoki on the band. Oh, I just spilled glue on my material, but not to worry. There's a technique for removing hot glue on your material. You simply use your lighter burn it a little bit, but be careful not to burn the material also. Now I'm still applying the Aso Oke on top of the band. We still remember our method on how to apply hot glue. So you apply the hot glue, you put in the material and give it a press hold for about, let's say, 10 to 15 seconds. That will do. Just to beautify it, I cut out a little applique and I'm gluing it on the headband that I just made. So this is how to make your beautiful ruffle headband. I'll see you guys in my next video. Au revoir.